This is very much giving, I'm going to wear white to a wedding to upstage the bride. Or this is giving, I'm having a pandemic wedding at the courthouse, but I still want to give fashion. Hi guys, so in today's video we're going to be doing a haul from Cherbow or Cherbow, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it is a China-based website, and I'll link my discount code and also all the links to all the outfits and my sizes below. For reference, I'm 5'6", I weigh 190. The first outfit, it comes with a scrunch detail at the side, and it's in this grayish silver color, and it has a collar neck. I love the fact that it's not too tight, so if I wear this out to eat, I'm gonna be good. What do you do? He says a funky dress. And I love the asymmetric detail, short to long, or you can make it long if you want to.
That's a 10.
This is a 10?
Yeah, that's a 10.
Babe said this is the 10. So this is the next dress. I love the side detailing. It's very much giving hot girl summer. And I'm in Miami and I'm doing my thing, okay? Love this dress. This dress is bomb. I have to get a bomb picture in this dress. This dress is giving, okay? It's giving. Everything. And then I'll probably wear something like this with it. Blocking out the haters. Talk to me nice. First got this, babe thought it was a dress.
You know what I'm saying?
But it's not.
That's a 10 too.
It's a 10. This is a jumpsuit. This is very much giving, I'm going to wear white to a wedding to upstage the bride. Or this is giving, I'm having a pandemic wedding at the courthouse, but I still want to give fashion. Okay, this is what this is giving. Okay. Or you can brunch it, but to me this is giving, I'm gonna upstage the bride in white a little bit at a summer wedding, because the material is kind of, the top layer is kind of chiffon, and then it has a cotton layer at the bottom. So if you wear this in a summer wedding, you're going to be good. You're not going to be too hot. Love the wide leg detail. Wide leg is definitely in for summer, and the white color is a 10 out of 10, especially in summertime. White is everything. If I'm wearing this though, I would definitely have to have my hair up in a ponytail just to show off the neckline of the jumpsuit. But the back, okay? Yes. It's giving. It's definitely giving, darling. The only thing this need is some heels, some bomb accessories, and a nice purse, and you're good to go. Okay, this is everything. I love this a lot. This and the blue dress, chef kisses is perfection. Oh my, it actually has pockets. I did not even realize that. So you have pockets. Who doesn't love a good pocket detail? It's giving. It's definitely giving now. I was watching Making the Cut, and there's a Jamaican designer and she specializes in wedding stuff. This reminds me of something that she would make, but on the affordable version. So this is the next outfit. It's giving Skims but affordable. Okay. This is great for chilling around the house. You know the vibes. This is the next outfit and it's giving, okay? It's giving mom's ready to go out and turn up. It's giving mom's about to start the show. It's giving everything. Love the color. It's orange. Here is doing this outfit no justice. I would have to have some body wave hair, but this fro is definitely not something I would pair with this. I would need something sleek. So a updo ponytail, slick back, or some nice flowy waves or curl. That's how I would do my hair if I was gonna wear this outfit. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please check out Cherbow for all your trendy, affordable fashion pieces. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.